What? This program is 4 kilobytes.
I'm not talking about size. I don't care if it's 2 terabytes.
Okay, guys, we gotta run it from the beginning again. Okay. All right. Okay, hi everyone. This is team meeting 0 that is online. We're gonna start publishing meetings regularly to just tell you guys where codeMghrib is at and to go through what each developer is doing at the company. Okay, starting with Kamal. Kamal, what are you working on?
I'm basically learning React, and I'm doing some React app. Yeah.
Okay, great. So you're working on React. Are you taking a course right now?
Yes, I'm taking a React Complete Web Developer. It's on Udemy, and it's great so far.
It's going great so far. Okay, cool. So the complete React web development class, it's on Udemy. It's a pretty good class. It's by Andrew Mead. Okay, so can you tell us where you are so far in the course?
I'm on JSX expressions, and we're learning how HTML and XML tags can incorporate on JavaScript.
Okay, using
React.
Using React. Okay, well that's great. Okay, so how's React different? I mean, you've been coding for a while. You've done some front end. How is React different than the tools you've used before?
How it manipulates the DOM, and how you do everything from JavaScript. Like you can focus on just one single file. Like it saves a lot of time between synchronizing your HTML and your JS.
Yes. So the virtual DOM. So basically, no DOM manipulation as we used to know it. The way we would use JavaScript or jQuery to do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So also, what about last week? What was the project that you had to work on in React last week?
Last week.
For those who don't know, we're working in conjunction with the San Francisco bootcamp. That's called Codify, and their week 12 assignment was what was it?
It was an animated menu and a movie rating app.
Yeah, exactly. An animated menu implemented in React. Well, they're implementing it in JQuery, but we're getting away completely from jQuery. We're just going to do everything in React to get away from all the inconsistencies of DOM manipulation. We're going to be doing everything in React. So last week's assignment was an animated menu. We've implemented that in React, and a movie rating app. You basically input a movie and then it rates it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, sounds good. Are you facing any technical walls right now in React?
I'm just trying to get some React library working. It's named React Router.
React Router.
Yeah.
Okay. React Router. So you're trying to get React Router to work?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a part of the course or no? I think it's a bit more advanced than the course. This is like a side personal.
Yeah, like a personal thing.
But the course has not gotten yet to React Router, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Okay, great. So we get an idea of what you're working on. Okay, if you could describe, what is your greatest strength when you are learning code, and what is your greatest weakness when you're learning code?
Well, we can say that I can't list you any.
We can say, or you can say.
No. I can say that I can't tell you my strength, but like my principal weakness is like not focusing 100% because I don't know, just I want to try so many things, and like focusing on one thing, just it's hard.
Yeah. So your attention divides itself, it gets distracted to many things, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a normal thing, but it is a great thing that you recognize it. That's the first step to actually moving past that. Distraction, I mean, all developers suffer from that. And the hardest thing is to stay on task, okay? All right, so we're gonna move over to AJ. Tell us, what are you working on?
I'm working on a Udemy web developer course and on JavaScript, and right now
You're working on a Udemy web developer course,
Yeah.
okay? Is that the same as Kemal's?
No.
It's a different one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, how's it different?
It doesn't have a React in it. It's just I forgot the name of it. It's like this web developer course.
Okay. I think it's the web development bootcamp.
Yeah,
Right.
I don't know. I have to check it again.
Cold Steel? Okay. So it's the web developer bootcamp. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay. What have you done so far in that course?
I have to brush up on a lot of JavaScript, and that's what I'm working on as of now.
Okay. What have you done so far in the web developer course? Well, just give us a feel of the class. What is it about, and what you've done so far prior to actually being stuck at JavaScript?
Well, they teach you some basic HTML, a very tiny bit of CSS. And he said we're going to get to that later, and a whole thing on Bootstrap before JavaScript.
Okay. So you've touched Bootstrap as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Okay. Has it been mainly exercises, or have you started a project in the course?
No, it's mainly been exercises.
Okay. All right. Have you faced any technical walls so far in this course?
Yeah, on the JavaScript part, I have to. I forgot the name of the problem. A user puts in a number, and it spits out the factorial of that number.
Okay. So how to implement the factorial in JavaScript, right? That's where you are stuck right now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are there any other technical walls before this?
I may or may not have understood for loops. All that, right? I think that's something I might have not understood.
For loops. Okay. Okay. So you've coded before this particular course. Okay. What have you done before you've taken actually this web developer course by Cold Steel? What have you done prior to that?
Well, I think 2016, I did a Treehouse course in how to make a website, and it was like my first ever website.
Okay. In 2016. Okay.
Yeah.
So it was a Treehouse course.
Yeah.
Okay. What did it teach you?
Just HTML, pure HTML and CSS. It's my how to make a website. Just my first website.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it was the first website you built. It was HTML, CSS. Did it have Bootstrap?
No, nothing. Just pure HTML and CSS.
It didn't have Bootstrap.
Media queries.
Okay. You're also working on the codified assignments.
Yeah.
You've done quite a few in the beginning. I think from week 3, week 4.
Yeah.
What was it?
The first one I did was the Apple website.
It was the Apple website.
Yeah. I really love that project.
Okay. It was a replica of the Apple website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but there was a huge problem I didn't even see because of the size of my screen. It had there was this giant white space if you went on a bigger monitor, and I still have to fix that. I just haven't got around to it.
So the desktop version is not doesn't look as good.
Yeah, everything is all the way to the right, and then there's a huge white space on a bigger screen. And I never noticed that.
Okay, so you've done the Okay, you've done the Apple replica.
Yeah.
And then last week you've done a project in React. Was it last week?
Yeah, it was an animated menu where...
the animated menu as well. You've done the animated menu.
Yeah, I did it in pure CSS, and it's where there's like this menu on the right. It's supposed to be a list of like a budget computer build. You can
Computer
make.
specs.
Yeah, for a
Right.
budget gaming computer, you can make.
Okay.
The CPU, the GPU, and all the other parts there.
Mhm.
And when you hover over it, it shows you the name of it. But when you hover on the name, it shows you the entire name. I had to shorten it for because there was some issues.
Yeah.
So when you hover over it, it shows you a lot more details.
Okay. Okay. That was great. So that was implemented also in React.
Yeah.
So you still have struggles with JavaScript.
Yeah.
Right or wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, Kamal, how about the JavaScript situation? How are you with JavaScript? If you were to describe yourself.
Average.
You're average, okay, okay. Not a beginner, not a senior, like just average in JavaScript, okay. What do you find difficult about JavaScript? Can you think of a wall that you have?
Not me wanting to learn it.
Huh?
And it has a lot of issues like security,
Mhm.
a lot of issues.
Yeah, speaking of that, I saw a website today where
Yeah, before we get into that, that's great. But okay, tell us, AJ, what are your strengths when learning code, and what are your weaknesses?
well, I'm really good at design. That's one thing.
Okay.
I actually take an absurd amount of time, like styling things, like making sure.
You obsess over the looks.
Yeah,
And customization of the
Yeah.
website. Yeah. Yeah, I've noticed that.
And maybe like I know a lot of like I've spent like hours just on specifically on like CSS animations and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe that's a field I can go down. About design, go down that field.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, definitely. I mean, I do see that you have a much easier time
Yeah,
doing the design part of the site than doing
the logic.
the logic and the
A
JavaScript.
lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. To getting to my weaknesses, logic and reading.
But then Kamal really struggles with style and design.
Yeah.
You know, that's something.
It's like-
This is a Linux guy, so he just sees zeros and ones.
No,
Yeah.
that's binary. I'm not a computer.
Yeah, well, that's how you see the world, man. I mean, we see it through.
Like, see.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, my weakness is completely the logic part of the code.
Yeah.
I struggle a lot with that, and really understanding something. A lot of times I think I understand it, but down the line I realize, oh wow, no, I did not understand this.
Yeah.
That's one of my biggest weaknesses.
Okay, sounds good, guys. Okay, that's a cool recap right there of where we are. Okay, so AJ is struggling with for loops, and he's working on a factorial in JavaScript. Kamal is doing React. He's at JSX expressions. So we will see you next time, and we'll give you more updates on where they are at. We also have a codified project that we're gonna turn in this week. It's a live clock example. Okay, it's a clock. Basically, it's a page that has a clock that just it's a real-time clock. Okay, and then there is a countdown. It's a countdown clock example. So you put in the hour or the minutes, and then you click, and then it starts to count down. Let's say you want 3 minutes, then you write 3 minutes, you hit the countdown, and then in 3 minutes it finishes. And basically, all of this stuff we're gonna always implement it in React. Okay, no jQuery. We are done, guys. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, guys. We'll see you later. Bye bye.